The first rule that we're going to learn is called the power rule, and let's just talk about the way this is symbolized here. The Greek letter delta means change, right? For the most part, instead of delta, we use D. That's change as well, delta. So what is this asking? This is asking for the change in my function with respect to the independent variable, with respect as how does y change as x changes? That's what that's saying. Okay, so that's how that's symbolized, and the power rule is n times 1, so n comes in front, and then you subtract 1 from that. That's called the power rule. Okay, so there are several ways that you'll see derivatives represented. Right here, we already know this one. F of x, that's a function. Function notation. F of x equals x to the 6th. Okay, so f prime of x, that's one way that you'll see the derivative. Okay, so this would be 6x to the 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so if you ever see f prime, the prime symbol means derivative. Okay, same thing here. If y is equal to x to the 1,000, then y prime means derivative, and that's 1,000 x to the 999. That's the derivative. Okay? Another way that you'll see the derivative asked for is this. If y equals t to the 4th, they'll ask, how does y change with respect to t? That's another way the derivative is denoted. Okay, comprende? So this is, now notice, my dependent is y and my independent is t. So the letters, the variables can change. So this would be 4t to the 3rd power. And then the final way that we usually see the derivative denoted is this. This is just saying, how does my function change as r changes? The way we say this is, what is the derivative of r cubed with respect to r? That's how we say that. Okay, and that is simply 3r squared. So basically 3 different ways. The prime symbol, dy dt, or dy dx, or what is the derivative of r cubed with respect to r?